Alright, hey guys, so this is actually part 2. So when I applied the wig the first time, I didn't really like how it turned out. I looked at it in the mirror and I was like, I feel like I can do this way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Y'all probably are gonna see this part like halfway through me installing the other one. But what I did do was I did go ahead and pluck the wig some more. So let me go ahead and let you guys know that if you do purchase this wig, and when you do purchase this wig, because the prices are so affordable and the quality is really good, one thing I will have to say is you are going to have to pluck the hairline a good amount because the density around the hairline is pretty thick. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like now. I just hope y'all can see close up. Let me see. You're going to have to pluck it a good amount for the hairline to get thinner, but I did pluck a good amount of hair from this unit, as you can see, like y'all can see right there. As you can see, I did pluck a good amount from this unit. So I put this on my head so that I can keep my ow, by the way, I cut my finger, so I have this band-aid on, so I'm going to be moving a little bit slower. But I put this on just to kind of keep my wig cap in place and intact, for the most part intact. Because this is about where I'm going to be putting my wig. I'm going to have to go back a little bit more because this is... let me see. I'm going to install the very front. Let me put my glasses. Okay, I'm gonna put my glasses on because I cannot see anything. So I'm gonna install the very front on camera. So about this part, so y'all can see what technique I pretty much use. And then from there, I'm gonna do it off camera because I gotta get really close to the camera to do the sides. Since, and what I'm doing right now is just taking the pins off of the wig. So yeah, but I have to get off camera to do the sides because I gotta get really close to the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Y'all know I'm blind. I say it all the time. So what I'm gonna do on the sides is right here, I'm just gonna take this a little bit back because it seems to be a little bit too high up. So I was gonna cut this off. Is it good on the side? Looks like it might be. Take a little bit more off right here because what you want to do in the first portion of the video, I did only apply it with the Got To Be freeze spray, but I'm actually going to be applying it with the actual no, I'm praying I'm not cutting my baby hairs off. Oh, I am. I'm going to be applying it with the actual glue that I like to use to keep my wigs down. I know this hair is puffy. I had to brush it out. Don't worry, by the time this video is done, we're gonna be looking flawless, okay? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply, just make sure this is all in the right position. Okay, we're looking good so far. Yeah, that looks good. And let's get a little bit more off over here because it just seems like it's just still a little bit too high on this side, or a little too forward. It's too high up in the front. The glue that I usually like to use is this one right here. This is the Isha Luxury Wig Fashion Absolute Water Resistant Glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 layers. Typically I only do 2 layers, but I really want to keep this on for a good amount of time. And usually when I use hair glues, I have to keep the glue. I have to usually do about 3 layers anyway. So I'm going to do 3 layers today, but I'm only going to show you guys the very front because I have to do the other parts off camera. I already know I do. So I'm gonna show you guys my method for the very front, and then we're gonna go from there. And as you guys can see, once it's kind of like laid down, you can't see the lace. So what I'm gonna do is do the very front. Oh, and let me also show you guys how much hair I did pluck off of this unit so far. And I do still feel like I'm gonna have to pluck a little bit more around the perimeter, but let me show you guys. So You guys, do not be afraid to pluck the hair from the hairline. This is how much hair I plucked from the hairline. Do not be afraid to pluck it because you want it to look as natural as possible. You don't want it to look fake. You want it to look real. So pluck, like pluck until you see like kind of gaps in the hairline. You want to see gaps. You want to see like little parts because that's what real hairlines look like. So don't be afraid to pluck it. Literally, this is how much hair I plucked. Don't be afraid. Just move this back. So we do see that we're gonna have to go a little bit higher in the front. So let's do our first layer. I went ahead and applied 2 layers of the Isha glue, and this is the glue that I like to use when I'm putting on my lace wigs for them to last a long time. Typically I only use about, I would say about 2 layers, but today I'm doing 3. So for the first 2 layers, I'm going to blow dry them until they're completely clear. I did the first layer already. This is my second layer. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this one, and I'll come back to you guys when I do the third layer. And the third layer is a little bit different than the first and second layer, so definitely stay tuned so you can know what to do when it comes to the third layer. Okay, so for the third layer, you're gonna go ahead and apply it, but you're not gonna let it dry with the blow dryer. What you're gonna do is put the glue on and then rub it in or kind of smooth it out. Then you're gonna put the lace directly over it and then blow dry the glue through the lace. Tino. Okay, so we went ahead and smoothed it out, and we're gonna go ahead and apply the lace. Let's go ahead and pull this forward. Let's see where it's sticky. All right, let's do about right there. And then pull this. All right, and then let's do this side. Like right before. All right, and as you can see, there are some pieces I have to touch up, like right here. Let me see, a little bit right there. And that is definitely what you want. You rather have it to where you have to put more glue on it as opposed to the glue is still kind of right above the lace. That's definitely not gonna work, and it's gonna make it a lot harder for you. So yeah. And my forehead is so big, I still have like so much more forehead left. So what I'm gonna do is take my blow dryer really quickly and just kind of set it in place on the cool setting, and I'm gonna use the opposite side of my comb. So yeah. Okay, so I went ahead and did the first top part. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do the sides, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Alright guys, so I let it kind of air dry. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, while it's still really nice and cute and manageable and still giving off that wet look vibe, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off so we can see the finished product. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like under here. Alright. Alright, so this is the finished product. Yo, this is so cute. I really like it. We got a little bit of baby hairs. We got the curls popping. You can put it back behind your ear. So I really like how this hair turned out. So you guys, if you are interested in purchasing this hair, it will be linked down below for you guys. It's actually really good quality hair. The lace is nice and thin. Only thing that I would say is go ahead and pluck to your heart's content to make the hairline look as natural as possible, to make it look, or actually some people like fuller hairlines, some people like thinner hairlines. I, on the other hand, like thinner hairlines because I feel like it kind of matches my natural hairline a little bit more. My natural hairline isn't very thick. I actually do have very thin edges, so when I get a wig or anything like that, I always try to pluck it a lot so that it looks as natural as possible to mix with kind of like what my natural hairline looks like. So yeah, this hair is really good hair. Definitely guys, go down below and purchase you some. I'll have the link and everything linked down below. The name of the hair company is DYHAIR777. So again, thank you guys so much for sending me this hair for review. I freaking love the way this hair turned out. The hairline is so cute. I like the curl pattern. I can't wait till it dries and it gets a little bit bigger. I'm probably gonna put just a little bit more mousse on it so I can like let it dry while I'm not playing with it and running my fingers through my hair. But yeah, I really like this hair. So cute. Again, if you guys do want to purchase this, it will be linked down below for you. And I do want to say that's pretty much it for this video. I will have another video styling this hair a little bit different just to see what else you can do, which is pretty versatile with this hair. So again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If this video was helpful for you guys, and if you are looking for a protective style to wear over your cornrows, hit the link in the description and also hit a thumbs up if it was helpful for you guys. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I do want to say thank you guys. I'm so appreciative to everyone who watches my channel. That's pretty much all for this video, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Seems like breathing ain't enough to keep me